Assalamualaikum students, this is your computer teacher Iftikhar Ahmed. Dear students, today our topic is the installation of the software. The question is, what are softwares and why do we install the softwares into our computers? The softwares are the set of instructions which can be used in only operating systems. The operating systems, you can see I have made the video. If you want to know regarding the operating system, you can simply click over here and you will watch the video of the operating system. So let's start the today's topic, the installation of the software. The softwares are the set of the instruction. Which softwares we install? We install only those softwares which are helpful to us. The installation of the software are basically the execution of the software. So what is the execution of the software? Whenever we simply get the software from the USB, from CD, DVD or the internet, we can download. When we download the software, there comes in a setup file. So what is a setup file? It's a pegged executed file. When we simply double click the software, it asks you to execute the rest of the pegged files into the particular location. So simply what you need to do, you need to give the location to install the particular software to the particular area. You can either save in the C drive directory of the Windows, you can or change the directory of the installation of the software into the other areas, for example the D drive if you have, or the E drive, but the best is to install the software into the C drive. A lot of the people do not know why we need to install the software into the C drive. We install the software into the C drive because C drive is basically a Windows installation files. So whenever, like I have just explained in my previous video, that whenever we just turn on the computer boots up. Similarly, when you simply double click to use any application software, here the word application software, that mean can be run from the operating system. So when we double click on any software, that software opens with the help of the C directory. So for example, if you are just going to install any software into the other directory like a D or a E, what exactly happens, the software takes a time to open. But if you want your software booting up very fastly, you need to install in a particular directory as explained in a C directory. So softwares are very important for a user to use the computer friendly. There are different types of the software. For example, if you've been checking the name of a VLC, which help us to watch the videos or run the audios. Similarly, we do have the MS Office, where we can simply make the draft files, the applications later in the MS suite. There is also Excel, which help us for the business purpose software. For example, we can simply execute any multiplication simply in the Excel. There is a PowerPoint, which is also used for the slideshow. So there are a lot of the other software, for example antivirus, which help the computer to protect from the virus. So dear students, if you have any question related to this topic or related to the computer, you can simply like my video, comment on my video. I will try my best to make another video for you. This is your computer teacher Iftikhar Ahmed. Allah Hafiz.